Hi, I am Alka. I work as a digital marketing trainer. So we all know AI is everywhere these days, like smart tutors, automated tools, everything. So most of the time, people ask me, using all this AI stuff, do we actually even need digital marketing trainers anymore? So AI can explain your concept. It will create a course for you. It will give an answer, but AI can't guide you personally. Whatever your challenges, your situations, your goal. Okay. So here we come in. I'm not scared of AI. I'm using AI tool on a daily basis, like copy.ai, writers, and Zapier, ChatGPT, Grok.ai, DeepSeek. Lots of the AI tool is available in the market these days. So I teach all of my students how to use AI tools. It will save you lots of the time. So thank you for listening.